हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज इस लेक्चर में हम मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। अगर आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आपके लिए ये लेक्चर बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूजफुल होने वाला है। इस लेक्चर में हम घटना चक्र के मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे जो डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो चलिए बिना देरी के चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? हजरत मोहम्मद ये कौन थे? द प्रॉफिट थे हु बॉर्न इन द ईयर। इनका जन्म हुआ था अप्रॉक्स 570 एडी में इन द अरेबियन सिटी ऑफ मक्का। ओके, ही इज आल्सो नोन एज द होली प्रॉफिट ऑफ मुस्लिम्स। और इनका डेथ कब हुआ था? 632 एडी में हुआ था। ओके, सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए। वेयर इज मक्का? मक्का सऊदी अरब में है। The word Hindu as a reference to the people of Hind, that is India, was first used by most of the scholars feel that the name Hindu was pronounced by invaders who could not pronounce the name of the Indus River. Okay, वो Indus River बोल नहीं पाते थे इसलिए उन्होंने हिंदू बोलना शुरू कर दिया। Okay, as mentioned in Rigveda, Bharata is defined as सप्त सिंधु। Iranians term this country as Hindustan and Greek ने इसको इंडिया बोला। Okay, about the Indian people, the word Hindu was the first used by Arabians. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D, that is Arabians. हिंदू वर्ड किसने यूज किया था? अरब्स ने। Okay. According to Chachnama, what was the capital of Indus country in the 6th and 7th century? Chachnama, which is the story of Chach, is one of the main historical source of history of Sindh in 7th and 8th century AD, written in Persian. Okay, it takes its name from Raja Chach of Sindh, whose son Dahir stood against Muhammad bin Qasim's invasion of Sindh in 7th century AD. Text stated that Erode served as capital of the Indus country in the 6th and 7th century. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B, that is Erode. First Muslim attack on India occurred in the year King Dahir of Sindh fought the battle with Muhammad bin Qasim, the first Muslim invader who defeated Dahir in this battle. Okay, he arrived at the coast of Sindh in 712 AD, which is now in Pakistan, and was successful in defeating and killing Dahir. So correct answer इसका क्या हो जाएगा? None of these, क्योंकि ये इन्वेड किया था सिंध को 712 AD में। Okay, when Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh, इन्होंने 712 AD में कंकर किया था सिंध को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में असर्टन क्या दिया हुआ है? टर्किश इन्वेजन ऑन इंडिया वर सक्सेसफुल। दिस इज ट्रू। रीजन क्या दिया हुआ है? देयर वाज नो पॉलिटिकल यूनिटी इन नॉर्थ इंडिया। दिस इज आल्सो ट्रू। सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए। ओके, first Muslim invader in India was Muhammad bin Qasim. It is in the beginning of 8th century under the leadership of bin Qasim, a part of India was unsuccessfully attacked. Okay, the empire of Arabs could not spread towards the east of Sindh and Multan and it gradually declined. First Muslim attack किया गया था Muhammad bin Qasim के द्वारा। Okay, next question, the first Muslim invader of India were, अभी हमने देखा the Arabs. The very first Muslim invasion on India took place in Sindh in the year 712 AD by the Arabs under the leadership of Muhammad bin Qasim. ये most important point है। He replaced Raja Dahir who ruled Sindh from his capital Aror. Okay, Arabs even unsuccessfully tried to attack Malwa after this invasion, which was limited to Sindh for 300 years. King like Raja Bhoj and other Gujarat king thwarted further Muslim attack. Next question, Muhammad bin Qasim He was an Arab ruler born around 695 AD. He was a nephew and son-in-law of Iraq's king Al-Hajjaj. Okay, at the age of 17, he was sent by Caliph Al-Walid to lead an army to Sindh, that is India. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. Who among the following was the founder of Ghaznavi's dynasty? Towards the end of 9th century, Transoxiana, Khurasan and part of Iran were being ruled by Samanids, who were Iranian by descent. Okay, among the Samanid governor there was a Turkish slave Alptigin, who in course of time established an independent kingdom with the capital of Ghazni. Okay, and founded Ghaznavi dynasty. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A, that is Alptigin. Which of the following Chandel king was not defeated by Muhammad Ghaznavi? The Chandel dynasty is famous in Indian history for the king Vidyadhar, who repulsed the attack of Muhammad Ghaznavi during 1019 to 20 AD. From the 9th century to the 13th century, Chandels ruled over central India. Their first capital was Khajuraho, which was later shifted to Mahoba. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B, that is Vidyadhar. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में असर्टन क्या दिया हुआ है, मोहम्मद गजनवी इन्वेडेड इंडिया 17 टाइम्स. दिस इज ट्रू. ही वांटेड टू एस्टैब्लिश परमानेंट मुस्लिम एम्पायर इन इंडिया. फॉल्स. दिस इज फॉल्स. वो ऐसा नहीं चाहते थे. Turkish conqueror Mahmud of Ghaznavi succeeded his father in 998 AD and established a huge empire in Central Asia with its capital of Ghazni, which is now in Kabul, which is in Afghanistan. For 17 times he attacked India from 999 AD to 1027 AD. Okay. His aim was not to establish any permanent Muslim rule in India, but to take away the huge wealth of the country. ये important point है, आपको याद रखना है. इसका correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? A certain truth था, but R is false. Who was the court historian of Mahmud of Ghazni? Mahmud of Ghazni was not a plunderer who mounted at least 17 raids in India, but in his kingdom of Afghanistan he had shown love for art and culture. He patronized 3 persons. कौन-कौन थे वो? फिरदौसी, जो पर्शियन पोएट थे. ओके, उनको हम होमर ऑफ द ईस्ट के नाम से भी जाने जाते हैं. और इन्होंने क्या लिखा था? शाहनामा. ओके, फिरदौसी ने क्या लिखा था? शाहनामा. नेक्स्ट कौन थे? अल-बरौनी. ये क्या थे? अ ब्रिलियंट स्कॉलर फ्रॉम सेंट्रल एशिया हु रोट तहकीक ए हिंद. ओके, थर्ड कौन थे? उत्बी. ये कौन थे? ये कोर्ट हिस्टोरियन थे हु रोट किताब उल यमनी एंड तारीख ए यामिनी. ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसमें से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, आपको याद रखना है. ओके, तो इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, डेट इज उत्बी. कोर्ट हिस्टोरियन कौन थे? उत्बी थे, महमूद ऑफ गजनी के. फरिश्ता, द ऑथर ऑफ शाहनामा वाज एसोसिएटेड विद द कोर्ट ऑफ. द गिवन क्वेश्चन इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज द राइटर ऑफ शाहनामा इज फिरदौसी, नॉट फरिश्ता. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है. हु वाज द ऑथर ऑफ शाहनामा? अभी हमने देखा शाहनामा फिरदौसी का था. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. The famous historian who visited India with Mahmud of Ghazni was, during 11th century AD, Al-Barani, who is the father of Indian historical writing, accompanied Mahmud of Ghazni to India and stayed here for many years. Al-Barani translated Patanjali's Yoga Sutra into Arabic and called Kitab Patanjal. Okay, but Tahqiq-e-Hind, that is Reality of Hindustan, was his important work in which he gave a socio-culture discipline of India. So इसका क्या हो जाएगा correct answer? Option B, that is Al-Baruni. Al-Baruni came to India in, अभी हमने देखा 11th century AD में. Which scholar came to India with Mahmud Ghazni? Al-Baruni. Which one of the following statement about Al-Baruni is not correct? मतलब हमें गलत वाला ढूंढना है. Al-Baruni was born in 793 AD in the territory of Khwarizm, now called Khiva, in Central Asia. He was not a secular writer because Al-Baruni never gave any sympathetic reference to the contemporary event of Somnath Temple, which is read by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1026. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option this all are correct. गलत वाला क्या हो जाएगा? He was a secular author. Okay. The first Muslim who studied Quran was Al-Baruni. Al-Baruni was the first Muslim who studied Purans. Okay, he was not only a historian but he also took a keen interest in the wide level of subject like astronomy, geography, medicine, mathematics, reasoning, religion and theology. Who among the following issued silver coin with Sanskrit legend on one side? The coin introduced by Mahmud Ghazni stuck in India with Arabic and Sanskrit inscription on both sides. A dhiram stuck at Lahore carried a Sharda script and a rendering in colloquial Sanskrit of Islamic kalima. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B, that is Mahmud of Ghazni. Which one of the following ruler from Central Asia conquered North India in 1192? Sihabuddin Muhammad Ghori, the ruler of Central Asia, conquered North India in 1192 AD. The first attack of Muhammad Ghori took place in 1175 AD on Multan. Okay, he attacked Multan and Uch in 1175 to 76 AD and Gujarat in 1178 AD. In 1191 AD, he fought the Battle of Tarayan with Prithviraj Chauhan and was defeated. Okay, second battle में क्या हुआ था? Second Battle of Tarayan में, जो कि 1192 AD में लड़ा गया था, इसमें पृथ्वीराज की हार हुई थी और घोड़ी की जीत हुई थी. Okay, and in this way a central Muslim political system was established. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C, that is Muhammad Ghori. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori for the first time? Muhammad Ghori was against a Hindu ruler, Raj Bhim Dev II of Gujarat, who was a member of Solanki dynasty. So इसका correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A, that is Bhim II. In which battle Muhammad Ghori defeated Jayachandra? Muhammad Ghori defeated the king of Kannauj, who was Jayachandra Garwal, in the Battle of Chandawar during 1194 AD. This battle was found in Chandawar, which is modern day in Firozabad, on the bank of Yamuna river, which is close to Agra. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज बैटल ऑफ चंदावर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग किंग वाज डिफीटेड बाय मोहम्मद गोरी इन द बैटल ऑफ चंदावर? अभी हमने देखा जयचंद। Whom had Muhammad Ghori defeated in 1194 in the Battle of Chandawar? Jaichand. Battle that laid the foundation of Muslim domination in India was? The second battle of Tarayan was fought between Muhammad Ghori and Rajput army of Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, the battle took place in 1192 AD near Tarayan. In this battle, Prithviraj Chauhan की हार हुई थी और मोहम्मद गोरी की जीत हुई थी। इस बैटल के बाद क्या हुआ था? मुस्लिम पावर वाज स्ट्रांगली इनरूटेड इन नदर्न इंडिया। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें अरेंज करना है क्रोनोलॉजिकली एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द कोड गिवन बिलो। सबसे पहले अटैक किया था महमूद गजनवी ने, उसके बाद महमूद गोरी ने, देन उसके बाद चंगेज खान ने, देन लास्ट में तैमूर ने। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी। Coins of which Muslim ruler bear an image of Devi Lakshmi? Coin issued by Ghori have an image of goddess Lakshmi, while on the opposite side of the coin kalma was inscribed in Arabic. ये आपको याद रखना है। So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A, that is Mahmud Ghori. Muhammad Ghori granted first Iraq in India to. Soon after the victories of Ghori, Ikta system was established in North India. This point is very important. मोहम्मद गोरी की जीत के बाद से ही इंडिया में इक्ता सिस्टम लागू हो गया था नॉर्थ इंडिया में। ओके, in 1192 AD, Muhammad Sam of Ghori appointed Qutbuddin Aibak as in charge of the Indian territories. He played an important role in the second battle of Tarayan. Pleased with his work, Ghori appointed him the administrator of Kuram and Samana. He had taken care of administration of North India territories conquered by them as a representative of Ghori till 1206. Okay, during this period, Aibak also expanded Turkish power in northern India. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Qutbuddin Aibak. Which slave of Muhammad Ghori conquered Bengal and Bihar? Muhammad Ghori and Aibak did not ever think of conquered Bihar and Bengal. The task was accomplished by their ordinary slave इख्तियारुद्दीन मोहम्मद बिन बख्तियार खिलजी। ओके, 1193 से 1212 AD के बीच ही conquered बिहार and destroyed विक्रमशिला, नालंदा and captured the capital उदंतपुर। ओके, बाद में उसने बंगाल पे अटैक किया 1198 and 1203 में। उस समय वहां के रूलर थे लक्ष्मण सेन, वो भाग गए थे विदाउट फाइटिंग इन दी बैटल फील्ड। ओके, टर्किश आर्मी इंटर्ड द कैपिटल नादिया एंड restored to massive loot. Lakshman Sen had taken refuge in South Bengal and ruled there for some period. Bakhtiyar Khilji did not try to conquer the whole of the Bengal. Bakhtiyar Khilji made his capital in Lakhnauti. This box is very very important. इसमें से बहुत important question बनते हैं, तो इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, डेट इज बख्तियार खिलजी। इस लेक्चर में इतना ही था। इस लेक्चर को हम यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम दिल्ली सल्तनत देखेंगे। ओके, अगर आपको ये लेक्चर जरा सा भी पसंद आया हो और आपके लिए यूजफुल रहा हो तो काइंडली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।